Hello everyone, come make this fish curry sauce with me while I just say about my 25th birthday. So I had a nature team birthday bash, and this fish curry sauce was one of the delicious meals I made for my guests. Yes, so I actually cooked the food that was served at my party. So I first saw this recipe on Diary of a Kitchen Lover's page a while back, and I loved it so much that I decided to repeat for my birthday. What I really love about this sauce is the simplicity. It's so easy to make, yet super flavorful. So now back to my 25th. I have plenty of gist to share with you in the coming days. Also stay tuned, follow, and just stay tuned. But let me start with this testimony. Leaning completely on God is the way to life. Psalm 23 verse 1 in the TPT translation says, Yahweh is my best friend and shepherd. I always have more than enough. And honestly, that scripture sums up my entire birthday. More than enough joy, more than enough love, more than enough grace, more than enough food. There was plenty to eat. The joy was everywhere. So let me ask you, what's that one thing that you deeply desire today? Whatever it is, run to God. He's the true shepherd, and with him you will always have more than enough.